Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. It's the 24th of December, so Christmas Eve. I hope you're all doing well. Just checking in on the charts, etc. So obviously tomorrow there's a lot of pairs that go on bank holiday, so there will be a less volatility here. I'm also noticing if you have a look at your own broker, your spreads are gradually getting wider now, especially towards the end of today. Obviously, that's due to less volatility, less people in the markets, and that obviously causes a big stretch on the broker side. So that's why this is one of my main reasons why I hardly trade um, the pairs or the charts during Christmas time and this sort of reason. But there was an exception. If you managed to get your trades, you could have traded today, early of morning, and we just got into gold this morning, and we'll obviously show you. So what we can see here currently with GBP USD, we finished the end of the day with the retest finally of this zone that we've got here, and this level, weekly level here, 1.296. Came up to it, obviously found a rejection. Now, due to this ping bar candle with the high buying pressure, not too keen on taking a short trade here. I think it is best to wait after the holidays are done, but we'll let that summarize itself and let it play out itself. But if this was a normal day, we could have taken that as a short, and that would have been a perfectly fine and reasonable trade to take. So obviously that's just for future reference and future like what we look out for on this strategy. So Euro USD, we can see we're still moving sideways here, no clear movement to the upside or downside, so we've not actually made any move to either zones yet. USD JPY, we can still see that we're moving sideways still, quite a lot of indecision here, especially in between the EMAs here, so no clear sign of move. And then, as we discussed earlier with gold, I got into gold earlier today, just purely based on impulse, really. Just because with gold in particular, I've noticed that when you jump to gold, you can miss out on the move, because if a strong move does occur with gold, it's less likely that the pullback will occur. But this is just on the off chance. So I managed to get in roughly there with the 100 pips. So if you want to check out my Instagram, that was where the position that I got into. But with regards to the style that we trade, we would typically wait for the pullback here and then the momentum to kick back. However, we never really found that. I don't believe we will get that, but if we do, then it's very lucky. If this is able to pull back into this zone and bounce again, then that would be great. If not, I do believe we could see ourselves touching into this zone here. It's roughly between 510 to 515 within this region. I'm expecting some sort of slow of momentum of some sort, etc. So that would be your best second bet to either take a short or to take a long there. So that will be all for today. Hope you have a very good Christmas tomorrow. Like I said, there is no real point in trading tomorrow because of the amount of bank holidays and all the pairs are on holiday. So that's going to cause a lot of inactive and a lot of high spreads and very erratic moves. So you don't really want to be a part of that no man's land sort of trading style. So just wait a few days, take a break and everything, and come back to the charts on the 27th. So I think that's, yeah, so the 27th, so that should be better. But yeah, like I said, we're still going to be posting these videos just for people who want to see what trading is like over the Christmas time. And like I said, what I've noticed as well is the spreads get bigger after the so after the 6 o'clock when that closes, the 6 o'clock 4 hour for the next, so the 6 to 10, that 4 hour candle, the spreads start to get bigger, and there is a lot of less movement in the market. That's because obviously it's transitioning to the next day, I do believe, or people are closing up on their trades for the year, or however they play it. But some little things here that obviously you want to make note just in case, because obviously when it comes down to next year 2020 December time, you're gonna know exactly how to play December, like the month in itself, December, like how you want to play it. So yeah, so hopefully this kind of helps, as well as you following our strategy. If that is some sort of thing you want to learn our strategy, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for obviously all that future analysis videos and etc. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.